Did you know that very few people have completed Piano Marble's method and technique trophy cases with 100% on every exercise? It's actually super rare, but we want to change that this month. We recognize that we keep you pretty busy in the library with our constant and frankly pretty addictive challenges, so we want to give you a chance to get back to progressing through the method and technique trophy cases while still having fun competing with all of the Piano Marble community. So, all month long, every time you score 100% on any of the exercises in either method or technique, you're going to earn one entry into the drawing for an Amazon gift card or a Lessons Challenge t-shirt. If you've already completed an assignment though, completing it again will count for this challenge, so feel free to review. A little bit of review can get you past the plateau. For example, if you've been stuck in Method 3D, reviewing Level 2 all the way through Level 3C will likely get you past Level 3D pretty quickly. As a bonus, because we love a good success story, if you'd like to share your progress during the challenge, please feel free to post a photo or video of your trophy case at the beginning of the month and a photo or video of your progress at the end of the challenge and tag us in your post. The person who completes the highest number of exercises in the month will win a surprise. But even if you don't think you'll win, we still want to hear about your experiences and celebrate your success, so please post and tag us if you'd like. Don't be shy to post updates through the month as well. Method and technique are extremely important if you want to become a well-rounded pianist. All of our challenges are geared towards helping you improve in one area or another, but no other challenge is quite as comprehensive as this one. So get practicing, competing, and having fun. We can't wait to see what you're going to accomplish this month.